Little trickeration. Flea flicker. Strong downfield. Has a receiver wide open. That's going to be a score. And it's Toa Taua.
How about that throw? But even better catch. Toa Taua, the running back, coming out of the backfield. Running back downfield. Unbelievable job. And watch at the end of this play. Look at this catch by Toa Taua right out in front of him. And this Tulane defense, just one too many pitches, had them fooled. And
Toa ends up with 102 yards rushing. There's the fries. And yeah, 5 second rule.
Eat him off his back. Not even 5 seconds.
And the Gatorade. I was thinking fries and ketchup, not fries and Gatorade. Jay Norvell doesn't care.
Unsportsmanlike conduct.
Chunked,
Nevada.
diced.
Bench area, 15-yard penalty, first down.
Those fries at the 40-yard line.
Look at the fries. That's a penalty. There are fries encroaching on the field, and those fries really stand out on that blue turf.
Yeah, I love fries, but give me some hash browns.